People have fears that their estates are being overrun by gangs.
A lot of people, when you beat them up, they show you respect. It's a way of street life, you know?
People have fears that their estates are being overrun by gangs.
A lot of people, when you beat them up, they show you respect. It's a way of street life.
Friends and spray paint RIPs for another young life lost to a knife and a grieving family. masked up with tools and blades. Muggers for mugs, parasitical thugs, desperate to upgrade. They're attacking packs to jump and jack, bikes, wallets, phones. So a few more toys class pride destroyed, stealing off their own.
Gangsters and muggers with their antisocial crime are all part of the game to keep us all in line. Just don't care as long as it's contained in the trouble spots, left to rot where they put the blame. Calls for police to keep the peace, keep our rulers pleased. The solutions to fate, don't make the mistake of trusting authority.